English and all that terrible grammar, and as a result it's all choppy. All kinds of words are taken out and it's just the basic words that you need. And again, I'm going to show you how this looks in a few minutes. People find this sometimes hard to do at first because they're thinking, all right, you want me to use abbreviations and you want me to leave out unimportant words. So they're trying to listen to the teacher and write good notes and remember to use abbreviations and remember what words to take out, and it just seems like it's too hard. But if you practice it enough, you start getting really good and really fast at it. And again, I'm going to show you what it looks like actually in writing in just a little while. So these are the two parts of going on a diet. Okay, now the next one on the list is number 4, which is know your instructor. And this could mean a lot of different things, but I have one specific idea and then a follow-up to it. The first one is to understand your teacher's lecture style. So this is the first part of that, their lecture style. Okay. You know that from your experience as a student, whether that's a lot of experience or a little, you know that every teacher has a different way that they get their material across. How many of you have a teacher this semester who uses the screen and shows PowerPoint or something similar to that? We got any? Only a few? Only a few. How about teachers who write on the board? Got some of those? Okay. Some people give handouts and go off of that. Okay. And then other people, other teachers, just stand there and talk. You have nothing to look at. It's just talk, talk, talk for 2 or 3 hours. Okay. That makes it hard. So what I mean by the lecture style is, what does your teacher want you to write in the notes? Okay, some teachers are very good about telling you ahead of time, this is what you should write. But quick question for you. When you see something on a board that somebody wrote, or it's on the screen like on a PowerPoint, should you write those things down in your notes? What do you think? Yeah, the answer to that officially is not sure. It depends on the teacher. Okay, some teachers, if you ask them, I noticed that you use the board a lot, or that you have the PowerPoint. Am I supposed to be writing all that down? Some teachers, you know what they'll say? They'll say, yes, that's why I'm writing it up there. So you need to write it. But there are other teachers who say, you don't have to write all that down. It's all in your book. I'm just giving you all of that as a visual aid so you can follow me better when I teach, and you can write a little of it, but you don't have to sit there writing like crazy. Those of you who have teachers who use PowerPoint, if you've ever had this, teachers don't understand how long it takes for people to write things down. And so they're clicking, clicking, clicking to the next one, and you almost get a sore neck trying to write all that down. And sometimes you need to write it, but sometimes you don't. So you're trying to understand early in the semester for every teacher, because they're all different, what do you want me to write? How do you want me to write the notes? Okay? And then the other part of this is this. I'm going to sort of introduce this first before I write it on the board. There is a habit that you can get into doing that I bet nobody here has ever done in your life, that will take you less than 5 minutes, and it'll help your notes to be much better after that, and should help you get better grades. So that should sound pretty good. It's just a few